If you're wondering why your watch time hours are not adding up, or maybe what you're accumulating daily, it's not adding up to your monetization area, I'm just going to explain to you why this is so, because it can be attributed to so many reasons. A lot of things can cause your watch hours not to add, or there could be a reduction in the number of watch hours you are accumulating. I'm also going to show you how to fix it if you're experiencing this issue. I had the same issue when I was starting up this channel. The number one reason for the reduction in watch hours is watch hours from ineligible videos. As we all know, that only public watch hours that meet the YouTube monetization policy count towards the 4,000 public watch hours. Okay, so if you have any content that is flagged or any video that is being flagged by YouTube, okay, those watch hours that you accumulated before will actually be deducted from it. So that's why you have to be careful of the type of content you post, so that YouTube will not remove it after you might have suffered to make this type of content. Another reason why your watch hour might reduce is if you have watch hours from deleted channels or suspended channels. If a channel gets deleted on YouTube, all the watch hours that they gave you while they were watching your videos will be removed from the system. So automatically it's going to clear from your own dashboard. So let's say, for instance, if channel A usually watch your videos, while watching the videos they give you watch hours, because that is how it happens. Okay, if the channel goes against the community guideline, YouTube is going to delete the channel. So if YouTube deletes that particular channel, the watch hours that was generated for you through those channels will also be erased from the system. So once a channel violates their community guidelines and it gets deleted, all the watch hours that they gave you will be removed from the system, and automatically it will also clear from your own dashboard. So this might be the reason why you are losing watch hours. Another reason why you might be having a reduction in watch hours might be because of delayed processing. Sometimes it takes YouTube time to finally process the data in their system, especially when you have a sudden spike in views. They take time to actually see if those views are coming from the right source or if it is a fake views. Okay, so let's take, for instance, if one of my content is going viral, I might be seeing 100 views in my YouTube studio, while in the normal YouTube app I'm seeing 50 views. So YouTube is actually taking time to see if those views are from the right source or if it is inflated views. So it takes them time to finally process it and add it to your main monetization area. So you might first of all see those watch hours count in your normal dashboard, but when it comes to your end area, they will take out time to add those watch hours in there. Okay, so it takes them like 5 days to finally process it. If you go to your monetization tab, those places that they used to say 4,000 public watch hours, they will tell you that this data is processing over the last 5 days. Okay, so they might tell you, okay, this data is from 30th of August, that you have to wait until it finally settles down in their system for you to see the actual watch hour. Delayed processing might be the reason why your watch hour seems to be reduced. So it might not be reduction in the actual sense, but YouTube taking its time to finally process this data and add it to your monetization tab. Another reason why you might be having a reduction in watch hour might be because you unlisted some of your videos or you made some of them private. So if you are planning to make some of your videos private, just know that all the accumulated watch hours from those videos will also go private with it, okay, unless you make them private again. So if you're planning to delete some of your videos, just know that you're going to lose the watch hours that you accumulated on those videos. Okay, so if you know you're trying to do this, just know that it's a two-way thing. It's either you lose your watch hours or you keep them. So if you unlist some videos or if you make them private, it is going to remove some of those watch hours until you put it public again. Okay, and again, if you delete some of your videos, the watch hours are going to clear. So it's just like that, it's going to clear off from the system. So you should know that unlisting a video or making some video private and also deleting some of your videos is going to clear your watch time hours. The reason why your watch hour might be low or you might see some decrease in it is because of shorter average view duration. Okay, remember, if people are clicking in your video and clicking out immediately, it's going to affect the overall watch hour for that particular video. So no matter how many views you are seeing in that video, it is not going to generate enough watch hours for you. If they're clicking in and clicking out immediately, it's going to affect the overall watch time hours. This particular one is actually one of the things that many people face and they don't even know about it. Let's say if you started accumulating watch hours from July last year and up until this year July, and you've not completed your 4,000 watch hours, let's say you have 3,000 watch hours, so immediately it gets up to 12 months, which is the 365 days, YouTube is going to deduct some of the watch hours from that July. Okay, let's say you gained 100 watch hours July last year. So this July, if you've not completed your 4,000 watch hours and you have 3,000 watch hours, YouTube is going to remove 100 watch hours from the accumulated watch hours that you have gained, and you'll be left with 2,900 watch hours. And if you are unlucky, you still not meet up to that requirement for the next month, which is this August, it will keep on reducing your watch hours month by month. So if you don't meet up your watch hour count by 1 year, which is 365 days given by YouTube, they are going to deduct some of the watch hours according to the time frame. Okay, another reason why your watch hour might reduce, or you might see a reduction in it, is that if you accumulated some watch hours from short videos, it is not going to count towards the public long form videos. Okay, so but in your dashboard, this is where YouTube sums up all the watch hours, both the views that you got from your short videos and the ones that you got from your public long form videos. They are going to put it in your dashboard. So even if you're saying 1k watch hours in your dashboard, once you go over to your monetization area, YouTube is going to divide it according to their type of video. So you're going to see views from short videos and watch time hours from your public long form videos. So just bear in mind that short views are different from the watch hours you're accumulating from your long form videos. Okay, so if you're planning to monetize using the short way, just know that you're going to get 10 million views from it. And if you're monetizing through your public long form videos, you're going to get a different type of watch hours from it. Another shocking reason why you might see a reduction, a total reduction in your watch hours, is if you actually bought your watch hours. Okay, because I've watched some videos where some people said they actually bought watch time hours. I don't know how possible it is, but just know that because bots that inflated such views or such watch time hours, once the system detects that this is bot or the watch time hours are not genuine, it is going to weed up those watch hours and it's going to remove it from the system. So automatically your watch time hour is going to reduce drastically. So I don't know, but I've watched some videos whereby some people said that the watch time hours they bought actually remained. I don't know how possible it is with this YouTube new algorithm, but what I know is that if you buy watch hours from people which are watch hours from bots or generated from bots, it is actually going to reduce, because you can't play YouTube, you can't play Google. They actually track these things. And the funniest part is that they updated their algorithm, they updated their system, so definitely they are going to detect this. So check that your own problem is not coming from any of these listed things that I just said now. So but if you're not in any of those categories, you might want to write YouTube. Okay, you might want to write the YouTube support, because the time I started this channel, the first month, I was accumulating watch hours, but they were not adding up to the watch hours that I had in my monetization area. So I was actually skeptical as to why this thing was happening. So I had to write YouTube support. Okay, so they didn't give me a reply at all. So while writing them, it took my channel like 5 days to finally update my normal watch hours. I actually don't know if they did anything, because the system was still processing the watch hours because it was a new channel. But what I saw is that after 5 days my watch hours updated. Okay, but the only email option I am seeing in my YouTube studio are for people who are in the YouTube partner program. I don't know if there's still any way that people that are not monetized can write YouTube at the moment, but if there is any way, maybe you can try find out in your YouTube studio. So these are the only thing that can happen to your channel and your watch hours will be reduced. It's either you had any of this problem or YouTube is taking time to process the data. Just know that for all eligible watch hours you accumulate, it is going to take YouTube 5 days to finally process it into your monetization area. So you don't have to panic if you are experiencing this issue. So YouTube can't make mistake in the counting of your watch hour. If they say A is A, then know that A is A. If they say B is B, then know that they are actually sure of what they are saying. So this can be the only reason why your watch hours is reducing. Okay, and this is the only way you can fix it. I have a video where I actually explained ways on how you can get watch hours. In case you've not seen this video, you might try to watch it up. So if you've not subscribed to the channel, please, I urge you to subscribe to this channel, because I know you actually learned something from this video and the video was helpful. Okay, and also please like this video, and you might drop your comment in the comment section and tell me if this video is actually helpful, and if there is any question you want me to answer, and if there is any confusion you are having or experiencing in your YouTube journey, you might drop your question in the comment section and I'll be glad to answer that. Okay, thank you very much for watching and staying till this very moment. See you in my next video. Bye.